What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a plate light bulb on a 2010 Honda Fit. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. All right, to remove this lens assembly, this plate light assembly, you just take your hand and push it on the driver's side, and you want to push it towards the passenger side, and then pull out. You might have to use a little bit of force here, just like that. This lens, the clip is broken right there, but if you just push it out, get a little force, and it is clipped in right there. Slide it down. Now, to release the socket from the lens assembly, just push these two little tabs right here, and then slide the cover off. To replace the bulb, just grab the bulb, wiggle it out, there's the bulb. This is a 194 bulb. Line it up in the socket, just push it, and take the lens. This lens only goes on one direction. There's a flatter side on this side that goes with that flat side right there, and lock it in place. All right, so when we go to reinstall this, we want to slide this side into the driver's side and then clip this piece on. This side is broken on ours, so just be careful. Get this in position, just like that, and then push it down on the passenger side. And then we can do the same procedure for the other one.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.